Good morning. We're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Residencial Duquesa. This is located in phase 1 and overlooking the big pool. This property has been used as rental, for rental purposes mainly, and it's done very well over the years. Now here we've got our terrace where the garden plant has been removed and they've done a seat instead. You've got a nice view over the big pool. You even got some sea views. The property comes fully furnished. It's got double glazing, air conditioning, it's fairly new. Got the mosquito nets in all the bedrooms. Comes as seen with all the furniture. TV included. You could move in and rent it out. Now kitchen fully furnished with granite top, all electrical appliances, fridge, freezer, oven, hob, fan extractor, dishwasher. We've got a little microwave here. Washing area, which has been closed in with glass, so in the winter time you don't get any leaves or rain or wind coming in. The boiler, washing machine, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and bathtub. Now, most of the clients that have access to the terrace, you can open the windows up and do sliding doors, so you could access the terrace from the bedroom. And here we also got the mosquito nets. Built-in wardrobes. Second bedroom, 2 twin beds, and you've got all the bed sheets, towels for immediate rental is here. And once again, the windows have the mosquito nets. The price is priced to sell. Please click on the link below. Please like and subscribe and share. The last 3 properties we've sold earlier with the videos, and we're very pleased for all your help and assistance. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great day.